What is up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Vanessa. I love to be thrifty, and thus my name on my channel is Thriftiness, and I love to share everything in relation to my job and makeup and being thrifty. So if you like any of those things, hit subscribe, stay tuned for more, and today we're going to jump right into our next day of last minute Halloween makeup looks. And today is for day four, and I'm already feeling like this is a lot of work, but I'm going to stick to it because I said I was going to, and we're going to do day 4, as you can tell by the thumbnail, which is an Ice Queen look. Ice Queen could be taken a million different ways, but we're just going to go with it. I'm going to try and do what I can with what I have in my mind, with what I have in my makeup kit. Kit I have with my makeup. I don't have any face paint for the look today, so we're gonna figure out how to do it. So let's just jump right in. Okay, so I debated on whether or not I should take off my eyeliner and mascara, but I think I'm going to use it in my favor later on, so we're going to leave it alone. And the first thing we're going to do is take some concealer. Normally, like the last video I did was the Galaxy makeup, and I just did a thicker foundation layer and the color showed up really well, but I think for this one I need something a little more potent, so we're gonna use some concealer, and we're literally just going to put it on. I literally just broke off the doe foot to my concealer. I don't know what to do. It literally is completely, it's not like it came out or anything, it just literally broke off. I mean, I guess I have what I need, but how am I supposed to use the rest of this concealer? I don't know. Okay, moving on. So I have down my base of concealer. I'm kind of using it like face paint. Excuse me, I just spit. And we're going to take one of my palettes, probably this Ginormo one. Oh, let me see what this one looks like. Oh, that one's like nothing. That is so sheer, whereas the other one we used yesterday is like that. So I think I am actually going to use that. So yeah, we're gonna do this. I don't know how this is gonna turn out. Okay. All right, so I have done this all the way up and around, as you can see, onto my eyes and my cheeks. The lashes. Be careful when you do this. You don't want to get eyeshadow in your eyes. There we go. Finger works a lot better. So now I have shimmer literally everywhere, in my lashes, on my face, everywhere. And we're going to add some blue. So I'm going to take, I have a light blue eyeliner, and I'm actually going to do this on my brows. We're just going to put an outline and just like literally, oh shoot, look at me, already messing up. Put it on top of the brows so that they cover up the blue, or the brown, cover the brown up with the blue. This is gonna be a pain to wash off my face. Some of this glitter gel. Now this stuff I did get for Halloween. I didn't have these glitters sitting around, but I've been wanting to have glitter sitting around. So It's kind of in my kit already because I've been wanting to do it for a long time. So we're just going to take that glitter gel and I almost spilled it everywhere. Oh my gosh, it's going everywhere. Okay, we're going to put this on my brow. It's literally everywhere. Okay, and I'm going to use this little brush and wet it so that the glitter sticks. You see the glitter? And stick it to, don't get this in your eye, by the way, like I'm almost doing. Jeez Louise. Oh my gosh, like seriously for a second, let's admire these glitter brows. This one lost a lot of its blue from the eyeliner, so I'm not sure. I think it's because I was trying to stick it on and then it wasn't sticking, so then I added. So we're gonna put a little bit more on. I'm going to add some of this white to my lashes because they're just a bit dark. Oh yeah. There we go. The last thing left that we can do with what I have is the lips. The lips are still throwing me off. So we're going to do blue to white with my eyeliner. Tell that they're gonna crack. Oh, that looks terrible. Up close it looks terrible. Far away it looks fine. Okay, just bear with me. I have this. It's a NYX eyeshadow base, and I think I'm going to try to use it on my lips instead of the liner for the white center. Just let's give it a shot here. Oh yeah, there we go. Worked like a literal charm. Literally. Okay, so I used the blue eyeliner and then I put this NYX, oh my teeth look so yellow. I put this NYX eyeshadow base in the color white all over, including on top of the blue, so it looks like it's faded. And I just have to fix a couple little spots there. Okay, so last but not least, we're going to put glitter on my lips. All right. I feel like I can't smile or I'm going to inhale glitter. Okay, so this is the final look, you guys. I'm already starting to lose some of the white inside there, but I have put little crystals of that glitter everywhere. The blue around my lips and around my eyebrows. If I had a white wig, let me tell you, it would look so stinking good. If I pull my brown hair back so you can barely see it. Oh my gosh, seriously. Maybe I'll edit in a white wig right now. Anyways, I think it turned out cool like this. I don't know that I would be able to tolerate the glitter on my lips all night long because I would end up eating it and I would end up inhaling it, but this is the final look. So what do you think? Comment down below. Make sure you hit the subscribe button so that you can see all the upcoming videos that I'm going to be doing for the next 6 days on the countdown to Halloween. And of course, after that, all my videos about everything that I love, sharing it with you. And I hope you have a good rest of your day, and we'll see you tomorrow.